We had active weather for sure yesterday, and this is kind of a tale of two extremes here. This is post-storms in Madison County. Beautiful double rainbow caught by Tyler Ross. He sent this into the newsroom. But on the flip side of that, leading up to it, was this. These were peak wind gusts that we saw. Clark County, the Mesonet site, which is about 3 miles northwest of Winchester, a 77-mile-per-hour wind gust. So, yeah, we had a lot in the way of damage reports out there. In general, most folks saw between about 40 to 50-mile-per-hour winds. And, of course, since then, things have quieted down considerably. The showers have all moved east, running toward the East Coast with that cold front. But these are all the wind damage, wind gusts, and hail reports over the last 24 hours. You can see the cluster starting in the upper peninsula of Michigan and then running down through Michigan. Ohio got hammered yesterday, and we had a number of them, I think 36 in total. Wind damage reports, hail reports, and a lot of trees down, cluster along I-75 and then moving into eastern Kentucky following that storm track. So everything is simmered down. We've got sunshine later on today, mostly sunny skies and a beautiful setup. High pressure briefly ridges in from the southwest and then kind of retreats, and here comes a cold front. Now with this boundary, there's not going to be much in the way of moisture for it to work with. So we'll likely see an isolated shower trying to take hold. This is Saturday morning into Saturday afternoon, a little bit of moisture hanging in behind that front. What that boundary is going to do, and what we will continue to see though, is cooler air filtering in over the weekend. So, beyond the isolated shower threat, it's just going to be very comfortable. We've got drier air coming in behind yesterday's front, so nice low humidity for June, especially after the swampy day that we had yesterday with those dew points in the low to mid 70s. We've got dew points in the 50s, which is very comfortable. In fact, we've got a dew point that was briefly in the upper 40s in Glasgow. So drier air has come in, and you'll feel it when you walk outside today. It's going to feel completely different. And we've got sunshine to go along with it. 60 degrees at Bluegrass Airport, 64 out in the Ville, 64 in Jackson as well. And yes, we did hit 90 degrees yesterday for the first time. Lexington hit that 90-degree mark for this year. We'd been up to 89 before. Now we hit 90 yesterday. They hit 90 in Jackson out in Breathitt County. That was a record high. Our average first 90-degree day is June 14th, so we're just a little bit ahead of schedule. For today, nowhere near 90, more than likely closer to 80. Upper 70s here, some low 80s south. A beautiful day, lower humidity. That west wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, 58 for the low, mostly clear and cool. And tomorrow, well, we'll just keep it rolling. Sunshine, a little warmer, low 80s. Around 80 Saturday, you will notice an increase in cloud cover, so do keep an eye out. If you're making plans to be out and about, there still could be some isolated showers around Saturday, but I'm not too worried about that chance. It's looking fairly dry. And then that cooler air continues to work in. Mid to upper 70s, below average stuff, still more beautiful weather early next week. Eventually getting back into the 80s, but for the time being, we are staying dry. No real shower or storm chances heading our way anytime soon.